Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I hope you stay with me because I am drinking some coffee and setting up this week, which is May 4th through the 10th, in my Hobonichi cousin Avec, which is my main planner. And this is what last week turned out like. I used a Shine Sticker Studio Pocket Under the Sea kit and then extras from one of the kits at Michael's. So let's do it. So I was looking through all my planner stickers and I have leftovers of a bunch of sticker books that you can buy from Michael's. So I picked out the Sweet Kawaii Design Weekly Sticker Kit. It's the little food one. It's so cute. I don't know if you can hear all that noise in the background. My windows are open and there's a dog barking. There's not a lot left in this kit, but enough that I thought I could use it and it would be cute. So I decided to, I had to find date covers or day of the week covers because I didn't have any of those that matched. But I used the American Crafts kit that I've been pulling out a lot that has like the unicorns and gems and stuff. And the colors kind of matched this kit. So I had to make do, and I put washi strips along the top to cover the days that were already there because the day of the week stickers in this kit are kind of transparent. They're sort of clear, so it wasn't going to work. And I didn't have enough washi strip to go all the way across the top, so I just put the weekend in like a rainbow from the kit, and I think it turned out really cute.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill that dog. Shut up. Whoever's dog that is. Shut up.
All right. And let's see. I also pulled out little date dots from that Shine Sticker, from the American Crafts book. They're little teeny numbers, and they worked perfectly on the other side of the day of the week cover. They worked like a dream. So I used some of my own washi to decorate the bottom because I didn't have any more washi strips. I love that rainbow weekend banner. I think it's adorable. And then there was this big strip that I had left from the last time that I did this kit and I didn't use it. And I thought it was perfect to mark like the kids' school because it was wide and it had like kind of that school lines looking on like the lines that look like that writing paper, you know, old-fashioned writing paper. Never mind. And then the cute little food. So I was just going to write school on that. I thought it marked that out very well. And then I used some of my own washi to decorate the bottom because I didn't have any more from the kit. And I happen to have these little polka dotted colored ones from Michael's that I got a long time ago. I bought some pastel, it was like a pastel kit that was polka dotted because I needed more of these colors because they complement a lot of the kits that I have. So I'm just writing school on that sticker. I think this is so cute. Kawaii design stickers are like, oh, it's my favorite. Kawaii drawings and that style I just find to be so stinking adorable. So I was excited to use a Sweet Kawaii Design kit. And then there was quite a few full boxes left, so that was good. And I loved this sloth that says, "Do I have to?" I put that down kind of over Monday and Tuesday because I have to work Monday and Tuesday. And then two sloths right next to each other, I know, but I put that down for Henry's meeting that he has Zoom meeting with his class. And then some boxes on Thursday for Addie's things. And then I love that I Donut Care one. So cute. I just love the colors of this kit. And then I put the star down for Mother's Day on Sunday. And then I thought the Life is Sweet with the ice cream worked perfectly for the weekend. I put a little habit tracker. So I am using these weekly spreads. I'm writing all of our plans in them, my work schedule included, and then all of my kids' things. And I'm planning on just focusing more in this spread on them. Like the habit tracker is not going to be tracking habits of mine. I'm going to use it to track, like, did they get outside and play every day? Stuff like that. Since the daily pages are really taken up by their school stuff, I just kind of focus the weekly on them too. Because I have my day free, that is more kind of my things, my YouTube channel, the things that I'm working on, and my own personal to-do lists. I've kind of separated it out. I've never done that before. You know, had kind of two different planners for two different reasons. But I don't know, the way life is right now, it kind of works. And I mean, this is done at the end of June. So then it'll all transition into my day free, and then everything will be together again. So we'll see how that works then. But right now, I'm just giving this a shot, and I kind of like it. So I'm just writing in all of our plans. These stickers, on the Sweet Kawaii Designs kit from Michaels, you can use the Pigma Microns. If you order from her website, her stickers are vinyl, and you have to use a Sharpie permanent marker. I like the Sharpie Cosmic Colors line. I think those match a lot of her kits really, really well, and they're cute. I cut apart some of those to-do lists just to make a little, like two tiny goals up at the top, maybe that we wanted to get done for the day for school or play or whatever. A lot of this was just kind of making it work with the stickers that were left in the kit, which was kind of fun. It's sort of more of a challenge. So that dog, I am going to go crazy. And then you can see I put in a bunch of flags and arrows that really have nothing to do with anything. I just think they're cute. So I wanted to put them in the spread. And then there was a bunch of icons left over, so I kind of saw like the little medical bag. I thought I could put that by my work. And then I put the little telephones by the kids' Zoom class meetings. And then I loved that little important flag, so I put that in, and I think I would just write play outside on it. You guys know that I like putting in lots of stickers, so this could have been really not full at all. That's why I'm just adding extra, because I just like the way that it looks and it makes me happy. So, you know, that's my style. And if you're a minimalist planner, then this probably is not going to be the channel for you, although I'm happy to have you here. And then in my daily pages, I am just hand lettering. I kind of show you Monday as an example, but I was just writing the day of the week at the top with my Mildliner brush pens, which I love, and then I write a little line down the center to make two columns, one for my son and one for my daughter, and then I just record the things that they work on for school during the morning and early afternoon. And then I was using some flags out of the kit, and I just write, all I write on those is the time. If they have to be on the computer call or something at a specific time, I just write it in there, because I have forgotten more than once a call, even though I write it in 10 different planners. So I just write their names at the top of the columns. And last week, in that little space up at the top, I also was writing the weather, and I did like that to keep track of it. Let's see what else. Oh, I used a cute rainbowy sticker to put on Sunday for Mother's Day. And then I'm flipping back to, just give you a flip of all the daily pages. I've never even had these dogs all bark at one time in my neighborhood, except for like when I'm turning on this stupid camera. Ugh. So that's the way the weekly spread turned out. I don't hate dogs. I just hate it when they bark when I'm trying to do a voiceover. Don't they know? The weekly spreads in my day free, I did write my work schedule, and then I decided that I was going to write the video. If I uploaded a video that day, I was going to kind of write what kind of video it was, or the name of it, sort of. And then I just highlighted that just something else to keep track of in that weekly spread or monthly spread instead of writing everything down again. This is what the last week looked like in my day free. I'm using it kind of like a bullet journal, and I do like that. And this is what this week looks like, and I'm very excited about it. I think it's going to be perfect. I went through and I planned a little bit of my YouTube schedule for the week, and then wrote some goals for getting all the winter stuff washed and put away. I had wanted to do that a long time ago, but never got around to it. So that is what this week looks like. I hope that you plan a week that makes you happy and gives you time to relax too. Bye.